Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Math. In this video, I'll be going to discuss exercise 1.2 of NCERT class 8 mathematics. Okay, so let's begin. First, we'll be taking example number 6, which says that we have to find three rational numbers between -2 and 0. So, how to solve it? For that, you have to first do like this, like -2. How many? Three rational numbers, so leave three blanks separated by a comma, and then your final number 0. This will be the answer. So how to find the answer? So for that you have to first find difference between these two numbers. Which one is greater, -2 or 0? 0 is greater. So 0 minus -2. First step is what? D is equal to 0 minus -2. That is equal to 2. How? You know that if any two minus sign are faced of same consecutive, then the answer is positive, which is 2. Okay, so let's come on to second step, which says that you have to find d upon n plus 1. Where d is what? N is what? The number of rational numbers which you have to find. It is 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So 2 by 4 is what? 1 by 2. Okay. So focus on the denominator, which is 2. Now in the third step, you have to make same denominators of these two numbers which you are given. So for that, you have to do like this. -2 by 1, and here I am writing 0 by 1. Nothing means 1, you know very well. Now if we want denominator to, we have to multiply numerator also by 2. You know very well. So let's do it like this. -2 into -2 is what? -4. -4 by 2. Here it is what? 0 by 2. Because any number when multiplied by 0, answer is 0 only. So here is your answer. How? Take the same denominators. Now how much is the numerator? 1. So add 1 in this number. Add again 1. Add again 1. This is your answer. These three numbers are your answer. See how much easy this method is. In just 3 steps you have found out the answer of this example, which says how you have to find three rational numbers -2 and 2. Here I have said these are the -3 by 2, -2 by 2, -1 by 2. This is your final answer. So here's the exercise question number 1. First part, which says we have to plot 7 by 4 on number line. Now to convert you can see the numerator is greater than the denominator. So first we have to convert into mixed fraction. You can see how to convert into mixed fraction. First we have to do normal division. 7 divided by 4. What does it say? 4 ones are 4. Okay, 3. Now let it be here. So first you have to this number is the quotient. What is the quotient? This is called the quotient. What is our quotient? In this case it is 1. So write here 1. Then remainder, which is 3. So write above it 3. Then put a bar and then the divisor, which is the 4. Okay, so in this format you have to write every time when you see the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, so now you can see, as I have explained in the previous video on representation numbers and number line, I have said you that first you have to take which number? This number. Which is the quotient 1. You can say I have taken here 1. So 1 and 3 by 4. Now what is the denominator? 4. Here 4, I will write denominator 4. 3. So let's start from 1. 1 by 4, then 1 2 by 4, then 1 3 by 4 and 2. You know that on a real number line there are infinite rational numbers between any two numbers. That is why I have taken equal distances and are separated. And then 1 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 2. So whatever the question says, there are minimum one number on its both sides. So the condition satisfied. Now how to plot? You know, right? Circle this or what, like this, whatever is preferred in your book. So do like this or like this, whatever. So this was the first representation. There is second part also, which is same. You can do it in a similar manner. So let's come on to the next question. Question number 4, which says you have to find 10 rational numbers between -2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Same procedure repeated. Well, which one is greater? You know that plus sign here, nothing is plus and here minus. So of course plus is greater. So let's find out the difference. Minus. So LCM is 10. And you know that plus. Let's put plus sign. Now you know how to add numbers, how to add fractions. Take the LCM of the denominators. Then what is the LCM? In this case it is 10. So what should be multiplied by 2 to get 10? 5. So 1 5 is you have to multiply same number in the numerator also. 1 5 is what? 5. Here in this case, 5 twos is 10. So 2 twos is what? 4. So answer is what? 9 by 10. This is what value of D. So next case, D upon n plus 1. D is what? 9 by 10. And what is our n? 10. 10 plus 1 is what? 11. So 9 by 10 by 11. So how to solve it? 9 by 10 into 1 by 11, like this. Take the reciprocal of it and multiply. You know that if any number is divided by a number, you have to take the reciprocal, multiply it. So 9 by 110. This is what your D upon n plus 1 says. So how to do now? First focus on the denominator, 110 right here. So which number should be multiplied by 5 to get 110? That is 22. So multiply by 22. What is your answer? Minus 44 upon what is 110. Same on the other side. What you get here, it is 1 by 2. So what should be multiplied by 2 get 110? 55. So 55 by 110. So here what we got from the previous, and what was the D upon n plus 1 value? 9 by 110. So you have to add 9 to this number. Minus 44. What is minus 44 plus 9? Minus 35 by 110. Minus 35 plus 9? Minus 26 by 110. Minus 26 plus 9? Minus 17 by 110. Minus 17 plus 9 is what? Minus 8 by 110. Okay. Let's come next to line. Minus 8 plus 9 is what? 1 upon 110. 1 upon 110 plus 9 is what? 10 upon 110. 10 upon 110 plus 9 is what? 19 by 110. 19 by 110 plus 9 is what? 28 by 110. 28 plus 9 is what? 37 by 110. 37 plus 9 is what? 46 by 110. And 46 plus 9 is what? 55, which is the final answer. So these are your rational numbers, between 10 rational numbers. Although the space is low, but in the notebooks you will write on the same line. And no need to mention this is for the just explanation. So what you will do? Minus 44 plus 9 minus 30, and you know that if any like minus 3 plus 2 is given, so whenever any negative number is added with a positive number, then the answer, that is the base number, decreases. You can see here. That is why you can see there is a downfall, minus 44, minus 35, because negative number with greater value is lower, like minus 3 is less than minus 1. You know that. But if it is changed to positive, the inequality changes. You know very well. That is why you can see there is a downfall till minus 8, then minus 8 plus 9. Minus 8 plus 9 is what? 1. That is a 1 by 110. These are all 10 rational numbers. So this was for the today's video of exercise input 2, and with this we have ended the exercise. We have ended chapter 1. So from next video I will be starting chapter 2, which is linear equations in one variable. And regarding this chapter, if you feel any type of doubt or any type of problem while solving, then please mention it in the comment box. If you love this video, then like this video, share with your friends who can also understand the chapter and its basics, and please subscribe my channel for further updates of my channel regarding videos, and press the bell icon. Though this was for today's video. Thank you for watching.